All right, so we're going to do the first test, this one, of Damien being filled for the first time using the pump from the dam. All right, so we're going from primed, dead empty, to see how long it goes to full. Later on, Honda, let's start. Right, dead empty. Pumping from the dam, absolute dead empty. That's 200 litres, 20 seconds. I'm probably sucking in a little bit of mud at the moment because that's right on the bottom. So you can see the little whirlpool over there. That's how much suction is drawing through. That's 1 minute of filling. And I'm only using a very rig hose that's held on with tape. There's actually air being drawn in at the same time. That's almost 400 litres. It's 400 litres now at 1 minute 20. Awesome Honda GX200 motor. It starts first full every time. Big twin impeller. So the water's coming up through the suction. Get the pump housing, and then it's being directed by the recirculation unit to the top of the tank. You can see how much water it's pushing out. It's half full in under 2.5 minutes. $600 litres. 2 minutes 38. Awesome looking bit of gear. Now you can set this up to pump directly out of your tank, out of a dam. You can have a permanent hose coming out to a stand that you can just back up to. You can set this up in any way you want it with any static water system that you have. Nearly 800 litres, 3 minutes 45. thing to note is that because the tank itself is turned off, even when the tank is full, you can just unhook, working here without having any of the water running out because it's going up this pipe and in. So with the rest of the tank turned off, you have no problem. At 4 minutes, 57 seconds. We're at 1,000 litres. (1,000 litres, 5 minutes. From a dam, you're ready to go. Okay, so you saw how quickly it pumped into the tank. Now I'll show you how the whole thing works. So you have a return system. Return system basically means the water can continue to flow from inside the tank, around, up and back into the tank, recycling the water or recirculating the water constantly. So you don't have to turn the pump off if you need to move a couple of 100 meters, whatever. Also means that you can pump into the tank extremely quickly without having to worry about using the hose itself. Starting the whole system is as easy as pie. If you leave a little bit of water in the tank all the time, so up to a couple of 100 litres or 100 litres, even when the pump is empty, it will prime super quick. All you'll need to do is open the tap and it primes. That's now primed and ready to go. It's that simple. So if I start the pump now, with this valve open, it will continue to fill the tank constantly, or just recycle the water constantly. That goes on, revs are on, fuel is on, the choke you only need to start use that the very first time you pull it. Oh, maybe a little bit. Take off. And you'll see water recycling. So that's now just going to recycle the water until such time that it recycles the water until such time as you want to use the hose itself. Now I've added a safety chain to ensure that when you're driving down the road that your hose won't unravel, taking out your taking out the person behind you. So to get the hose going is really simple. We just turn that valve on, pull the hose out, and then you'll open this valve. So that's now in the full on position. So I always suggest leaving this open until you start at the pump. Pump goes on. And we'll get some water coming out. What we do from here, shut this valve off. The power that's coming out with. If I want to control that water, by opening that valve a little bit, reduces this water, which means that I've got much more control. I'll turn that down completely, open this completely, and it won't impact the pump. Which means I can now roll this up, put the safety valve on, pump on. Now if I'm going to go for a drive somewhere, I simply reattaching the chain, and that'll stop the hose from unraveling. Okay, there you have it. So as you can see, being able to fill up 1,000 litres in under 5 metres from a static water source, then having total control over the way in which you use that water, from just whether it's watering your garden, putting water, transporting water to another source or to another spot, or having a full blaze or full gung-ho to put out a fire. You've got total control and so easy to use. There you have it, the Damien